Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to explain how to install and run SSL Secure Sockets Layer certificate on the ESXi host. First, we will browse to our ESXi host and as you can see, there is a warning that our destination is not safe due to the lack of the trusted SSL certificate. As you know, ESXi is self-signed and is not trusted. We click on Advanced and then click on Proceed. Then we can enter our login credentials and log in into our host admin panel. In this tutorial, we are going to use a script written by the author W2C. The script is used to install and automatically renew the SSL certificate. You can find the link of the script in the description below. In our navigator, click on Storage. Open the data store and then open the data store browser. Head to the desired folder. In this case, ISO folder. Search for the script we just downloaded from GitHub. And upload the script onto the ESXi host. Make sure to copy the file name and save it somewhere else. In my case, I'm going to save it on the notepad. Then we will need to copy the path of our data store. Next, we can concatenate the path into the file path. What we have now is the full path of the script located on the ESXi data store. Head to the navigator and click on Manage. Click on Security and Users tab. And change the permission of running the script into Community. Click on the Packages tab and then click on Install. Paste the script path we saved earlier on the notepad. Click on Update button and then Continue. As we can see, the server is currently installing our script. To view that our script is installed, we will open the Packages menu. Click on Refresh, and it will appear in the packages list. In the next steps, we will need to restart our ESXi host in order for the change to reflect on the host. Head over to the virtual machines in the navigator menu. We can shut down using the VM list. Select the server and then click on Actions and shut down. In the same way, you can also open the VM. Click on Actions and shut down. As we can confirm from the virtual machines list, all of our virtual machines we stopped are currently stopped. Next, for the host, we will need to enter the maintenance mode. Click on the host from the navigator menu. Click on Actions and enter maintenance mode. Click on OK, and then wait for the server icon to change into yellow stripes. Once our server is in maintenance mode, we will need to reboot our server. Click on Reboot and reboot the server. The page will reload and we can re-enter our login credentials. As you can see, our SSL certificate is now installed successfully. In the next steps, we will need to exit the maintenance mode from the host, and also we will need to start the virtual machines we disabled earlier. From our navigator, click on Actions and exit maintenance mode from the host. It is not required, but you can enable the auto start for the virtual machines. Head to Manage, select the auto start panel, and enable both of the virtual machines. From the virtual machines page, select both of the virtual machines. Click on Actions, Power, and Power On. Now wait for the virtual machines to start. By now we have installed the SSL certificate successfully, and all of the changes are applied and reflected on the server. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials.